Hello everyone, it's Mermaid Molly Flora, and I have something to unbox with you today. This is a Finfun Elite tail, and my plan is to use it to replace my current signature tail, which is a Finfun. So this is also a green and blue tail, and I'm very excited to open it all up. This is the inside of the box. Let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh. It comes with the invoice and instructions on how to care for it and everything. And this is what she looks like. Alright, let's open up the bag. Now, I didn't buy it with a monofin because I already have one. So this is just the tail, skin, and the vinyl that goes inside. Ooh, look at her! Very similar in color to my current tail. Ooh, look at the detail on those scales. Here you go, all the way up to the waist, which is kind of a little blended number. Here are the side fins. I'm surprised they don't have any kind of boning in there. There's no structure to them. You can just crumple them right up. But they do look quite pretty. And there she is. I will have to put a monofin inside of her in order to make it swimmable. But the end of the zipper is at the bottom of the tail, and I like that. Easier to hide into the seam. So we open up the zipper on the side, and the monofin will be getting inserted into here where the vinyl is. Very excited to take her swimming. Stay tuned and I will get some footage of her in the water.